Almaden presents a significant breakthrough in the employee digital experience market. AlmaAnalysis Insights, an exclusive feature of Collective IQ DEX. AlmaAnalysis Insights accelerates how IT and business leaders analyze, interpret, and make decisions about the lifecycle of their devices and digital assets, much faster and more efficiently. Select the devices you want to analyze, and in just a few clicks, AlmaAnalysis Insights indicates the best cost-benefit for decisions such as upgrades, hardware updates, or complete replacements. The system collects and analyzes information, identifies bottlenecks, and presents personalized results according to the selected devices, always in a clear and visual way. For example, this Dell Vostro 3500 has performance limitations in memory and disk. The estimated upgrade costs only $89, about 6% of the $1,450 full replacement cost. The analysis shows it's worth upgrading, not replacing. And you can repeat the analysis on different devices, always receiving the best recommendations from AlmaAnalysis Insights. Additionally, it is possible to access the complete technical sheet of each equipment with all the necessary information for decision-making. And to make it even easier, you can export the results in PDF or send them via email directly from the application. Almaden, the future of IT management has already begun with Collective IQ. Talk to our experts and discover how to transform your operation.